Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking at Litecoin. So the last update I did on Litecoin, we were talking about the halving that is coming up in August. I just actually read another article on the halvenings in 2015 and 2017, and in that article, I don't know, they had a lot of misspelled words, and they said that it was either or. The 15 had about an 880% gain, and then the 17 had about a 550% rally, which the other article that I read the other day said 320% on the last halving. So who knows? I'm not gonna look into it that deep. If you're interested that much in it, just you go do the research yourself. So just seems like a bunch of shenanigans going on. Nobody knows what the hell they're talking about. So I don't know. I don't understand why two different articles. Well, the article I just read was telling me that there's a potential that Litecoin does not have the same move like it did in previous halvenings. But I did not read the whole article, so you can go look that up for yourself if you want to. But, with that being said, just simply looking at the chart here and what the chart tells us, it is in this uptrend here. I actually did move our little uptrend line here from here. So, I mean, you could push your narrative and say that you broke the uptrend and you're going to start breaking down, which is highly possible. Or you could say you're still in an uptrend by just simply moving that line there and saying as long as we're above the 200-day moving average, we're still good to push higher. So we're just going to leave that there for now. From what the chart is telling me here, we're above the 200-day moving average. We have the MACD, which, if you can see that, it's curled down, doesn't look good at all. The RSI does not look good. It's curled down. We're below the 0. We're below the 50. We're below 3 of our moving averages here, and we're coming up on our 200-day moving average at this 84 level. So as long as you hold 84 on LTC here, I would say you're good for a bounce and to continue this uptrend and to continue grinding higher here. Looking over at the Heikin-Ashi candles, Heikin-Ashi you can see is red, no shadow, so it is trending down at the moment. So I would say really the only thing you could do is just kind of watch 84 at your 200. As long as you stay above your 200, you're still bullish. If you drop below that, it's going to get extremely bearish. And then maybe, maybe the Litecoin halving is not a thing anymore. Maybe you're not going to go up, a couple 100%. I do not know. The way the economy is and the world is right now, nobody really knows. I mean, everything may start just falling off the table and going to zero. So we're just going to measure this from where you are right now. Barring that you broke the uptrend or you're still in an uptrend, ultimately you need to hold your 200 down here. So from 84 down to where your 200 is, you're looking at about a 4% drop. So this 83, 84 is your price to hold on Litecoin. As long as you hold that, you can consolidate along that moving average and potentially push higher. You could bounce and move higher, or you could fall right through it and then just start going to zero here. So 83, 84 is your big price to hold here. Just watch that price there. If you lose that 83, 84, then you can clearly see the 786 at 78 is next for a potential 10% drop. On top of all that, if you do in fact bounce and this is still your uptrend, or you bounce at 84, wherever that may be, you got to get over your moving averages here, which is your first one. The 70 is currently at 89. So if you end up bouncing from where you are right now to get over 89, you're looking at about a 3% move. So really you just need to get back over your moving averages to get any momentum back up to the upside. Right now, from the Heikin-Ashi to the indicators, everything on the chart is telling me that Litecoin, it wants to push lower. So we'll probably end up going with this narrative here, saying that you broke your uptrend, you're getting pushed down by your moving averages, they're starting to curl down just a little bit here, and you lost your uptrend. So 84 is your last line of defense here. You lose 84, you're going to start falling off the table here. If we zoom in, actually, you can see that your 21 is right on the doorstep, about to cross back below that 50. So that is very bearish there. Once these start to cross back below each other and they start crawling down like this, it's going to do nothing but push the price lower and lower. So just wanted to point that out there on Litecoin. If you want to know what's going on with the halving, just go do your own research. That's all I can really say. There's too many coins, too many tokens, not enough time in the day to be looking into all that nonsense, in my opinion. So Yeah, I'll leave it at that on Litecoin, and we'll see you in the next one. Not financial advice, and peace out.